Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of November 20th, 2020. Here are some upcoming events. Our virtual holiday shop will accept orders through Friday, November 27th. The holiday shop is for both campuses. Students can purchase a great variety of items online for their friends and families, and they can support PBMA at the same time. Items start at $1 and will be shipped to students' homes. Check out our fun online shop. The elementary school is having a virtual Scholastic book fair from November 23rd to December 6th. Children can find great new books to read and support PBMA at the same time. I will email the link to parents once the book fair is opened. There is free shipping on book purchases over $25. Thanksgiving break is next week, from November 21st through November 29th. Friday, December 4th is a teacher workday. No school for students. On Wednesday, December 9th, there will be a Google Meet elementary parent training on understanding your child's report card. More information will be sent home soon. Winter break will be December 19th through January 3rd. The Marine Lab field trip to Key Largo is scheduled for February 25th and February 26, 2021. The field trip offers students the opportunity for multiple hands-on marine science adventures. The trip includes snorkeling, marine labs, species investigations, and research. The cost this year will be $300 for the weekend. Marine Lab has very strict COVID prevention procedures. If you're interested in going to Marine Lab, please contact Ms. Patipa or Ms. Lanza at the secondary front desk. Here's a message from Ms. Roop.
Hi, PBMA families. I'd like to take this time to remind you once again that our first trimester is coming to an end. The trimester ends on December 3rd, and teachers will be completing your child's report card on December the 4th. Another reminder that on December 9th at 4:30, we will be having a virtual parent meeting to explain how to interpret your child's report card and how to keep up with monitoring your child's achievement for the second and third trimester. Students, there is still time to make up some missing assignments. Please check in with your teacher. Make sure you have completed all your assignments, especially your assessments on performance matters. Those are very important so your teachers know how to best help you in math, ELA, and science. Another thing I just wanted to clarify, the procedures for transferring from virtual or brick and mortar have not changed. We are not allowing students to flip-flop during the week between virtual and brick and mortar. We do ask that you attend either the 5 days virtual or the 5 days brick and mortar. If you would like to make a change to virtual, you can do that at any time. We just need notification so that we can make sure your child brings home their Chromebook and all the necessary supplies. If you would like to change to attend brick and mortar to the physical building, you do need to submit that request to Mrs. Cooper at the elementary campus. We are making those accommodations within a week's notice. Please make sure you are following this procedure so we can keep track of our numbers and know where your student is for learning. I do wish everybody a wonderful and happy Thanksgiving break. Please stay safe and enjoy the time off. I also have a very special announcement. About a month or so ago, a group of 5th grade girls brought to my attention that they were interested in creating a newspaper club here at the elementary campus at PBMA. I asked that they prepare a presentation for my approval to move forward with the club. They presented a beautiful presentation, and we are so excited to have our first newspaper come out this Friday. Here are the girls.
I'm Celeste. Hi, I'm Spira.
Hi, I'm Alexis.
Hi, I'm Allie.
And we wrote the scoop.
I really do hope it is amazing.
It took a lot of time and effort.
And we're so excited for it to come out.
And we'd like to say that our first issue is coming out on Friday, November 20th.
We are so excited for the scoop.
Thank you to the families who generously donated items to our Honduras hurricane relief effort. We are donating 7 large boxes of needed supplies that are being mailed out this weekend. In grades kindergarten through 2nd grade, STEM class students built dining room tables to hold Thanksgiving foods. Ms. Rodriguez asked if students in grades 3 to 5 could bring in a cereal box and an empty toilet paper roll on Monday after break, November 30th. Any extras would be appreciated as well to donate to students who do not bring them in for the STEM project. Here's a message from Miss T.
Hello, everyone. For those of you that I don't know, my name is Marie Torchiero. I'm the Executive Director of Palm Beach Maritime Academy and High School. And I wanted to talk a little bit today about our reaccreditation and to tell you a little bit about what accreditation is and why it's so important. 3 years ago, we were accredited by what was then called Advanced Ed. It's now Cognia. And that's the parent company of a group of accrediting agencies, one of which you might be familiar with, which is SACS. So we are accredited in our kindergarten through 12th grade. Why is this important, and why is it important for you to look for an accredited school? Well, one of the reasons is because you're held to a certain set of standards and you're reviewed. Those standards are reviewed every 3 years to make sure that you're both meeting and exceeding the standards. It's also very important because stakeholders can trust the quality of the school and the quality of the educational program, since it's just determined by people outside the organization who are educators themselves. It also ensures that there's a recognition of quality. And again, you want a quality education for your children, and it's important that not only we tell you we offer a quality education, but a national organization such as Cognia also tells you that. Also, it's very important for high school students to be graduating from an accredited institution, because colleges all accept the credits that we give, the high school credits that we give, because we're accredited by Cognia. So it's very important when you look for a school that you look for an accredited school. Also, Cognia is the organization that accredits all of the district schools and most of the high quality schools that you will come in contact with. A little bit about the accreditation process, and in our case, it will be taking place February 15th through 17th. And with everything happening with COVID, it will be a virtual accreditation. So what they look at is they look at 3 primary standards. The first standard is leadership. And within that standard, there are 10 substandards. Some of those include the governing board, supervision, operational, climate, statutory, do we follow statutes? And how is the decision-making process done? So what we have to do is we have to produce a wide variety of documentation, a wide variety of interviews, some of which will include some parents, teachers, administrators, governing board members, to all talk about these various things. So there are 10 standards under leadership. The second is learning capacity, under which there are 12 standards. And then under all these standards, there are a variety of substandards. Those include things like creativity, monitoring of instruction, learning needs, assessments, continuous improvement, because without continuously looking at yourself and improving, you're really never going to get anywhere. And an analysis of data and how that data analysis plays itself out in the classroom and in learning. The final standard is resource capacity. For that, they look at things like professional learning. Are we providing professional learning to the faculty and staff? What type is it? And how does it reflect in student achievement? They look at, are our personnel qualified? Are our teachers certified? Do they have the correct courses? And all of that. They look at our digital resources, and with all of the virtual learning and being one-to-one now, that's something that they will look at. They will look at strategic resource management. How do we manage the resources that we have? How do we look at things longitudinally? How do we look at things? How do we see ourselves, next year, in a couple of years, and then again at our next renewal 3 years from now? And fiscal viability. So we want to make sure, they want to make sure that we live within our budget and that we have enough money put away for the proverbial rainy day. So that's a little bit about our accreditation, and we will be going through that process again. This is a renewal of our accreditation, and we'll be going through that process again in February 15th to 17th. And I just wanted to give you all a little bit of an update on what's happening with that. To close, I want to wish everybody a very happy Thanksgiving. I know this has been a tough year. I know that Thanksgiving is going to look a little bit different this year, but we all have a week off and we can relax and reflect and reinvigorate ourselves and hopefully spend some time, even if it's virtually, with family, and to think about all that we do have to be thankful for. So thank you for tuning in, and I wish you all the best of the Thanksgiving season.
Here are the secondary shocks of the week. World Kindness Day was last Friday. Here are students and teachers at both campuses showing off their kindness by donning their pink shirts. Secondary leadership, journalism, and art classes painted our secondary campus pink with random acts of kindness. Here's a video of art and pictures of kindness. Wishing everyone a very happy, healthy, and safe Thanksgiving. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.